Alright y'all, so today I'll just give you a little quick tutorial on how to turn emergency alerts on or off. This is just in case you don't want to hear any, which presidential alerts are mandatory, so can't really turn that off. But anything else you don't want to hear, just go ahead and turn it off. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is go to your messaging app. I'll have all this blurred out, of course. Then you want to click settings. Then you want to click emergency alert settings. There you see, you can vibrate when the sound plays, hit emergency alert test, set it to remind you for every 15 minutes, 2 minutes, or just once. And then you can just set, like stream alerts, you want to turn that on or off, Amber alert, severe alert, or emergency alert test messages. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, it would help out. Have any issues, just let me know in the comments below. And if I miss anything, let me know in the comments below also. Thanks, have a nice day.